Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm with Cammy. Playing this very creepy game. The point of it is we're in a hospital. There's this guy who's going to kill her around, and he's a black suit on with black eyes. And
no, what's red?
Red glowing eyes. And he comes and sneaks up on you. And if he sneaks up on you, then you're dead. But if you just see him,
Where the frick are you, Marty?
you just keep going straight. And if you see him, then he won't, but if you look away, he'll get closer and closer each time. And eventually, he will kill you if he gets right in front of your face. That has happened to us before. It happened to us today. It happened to me today and Cammy whenever she spawned. And today, I'm with my best friend, Cammy. I know, guys, she is new. Don't make fun of her, though, okay? Because if you fight her, fight me. You don't want to do that, okay? Trust me.
Yeah, for real.
Ask Cammy.
Do you want to tell them what happened in 3rd grade or no?
Sure. I smacked Cammy in the face because she was getting on nerves.
No, it was not.
I know, but I'm just like that, right? I'm strong. I slapped you, and her mom. I was trying to make you.
Oh, she didn't even know who you were. Let's go in there.
That can't be good since it's really close. Let's go this way. And guys, you could be on corners.
Yeah.
Why am I in the lead? You go in the lead for a little bit.
Why do I need to lead?
Because I've always been in the lead. We don't have the same computer, so mine is a little faster than hers. So that's why I'm usually in the lead. So because my computer is more new than hers. Hers is I don't know what year, but mine's 2017 computer. So
Well, this is my sister's old computer since she got a Mac.
that's probably why.
Yeah, because she's like used it a lot for like high school. Like she's had this thing since high school.
So it's probably about a couple years. 5.
It's like 10.
That's probably why she's really slow.
And sometimes whenever I'm clicking this, my character still like stops
Yeah.
because it's just like so.
Yeah, mine's a 2017 computer. That's why it glows. We're just in the same room. Oh no, we're not. We're in this room.
We're in the X-ray room.
That's
Okay, so it looks like I see a tumor in there.
Ew. Okay, contour her. No, that would just be more going in a circle. Hello.
Don't ask
Hi.
me how I know what a tumor looks like. I watch too much Grey's Anatomy.
I love Grey's Anatomy.
When have you ever watched
I started watching it with my sister.
What episode are you on?
4.
Of season what?
1.
Which way did you go?
Cammy.
Did I lose? Did I get lost?
Yes. Oh, you're right here.
Oh.
And guys, don't judge me. My legs are different.
Yeah, we found that out when we were trying to record the last 2 videos.
Yeah, it's their third word.
Time.
Up my butt. Up my butt. My phone ringed.
It said, "You're my butt." Where are you?
Oh, right here, you what? I'm right behind you. Stop. We're going this way.
Oh. Maybe I can ask my mom if we can go to ATV so we can get candy. We can't be up super late tonight.
Why?
I don't know. Because my parents have to work tomorrow.
So, they had work today. I'll pay Summer back if you go do it. I knew I should have brought my money, but my dad said no.
You left your wallet in my car on the last stage.
I know. I'm just kidding.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
What?
Remember whenever I bought you something, she said she'd pay me back, but I'm fine. I'm good. Okay, let's go this. Ugh. Guys, I want to show y'all what he looks like.
But we just cannot find him. And the video is almost about to end. Like, almost at the end.
We have 10 more minutes, yeah. Ugh, in 10 minutes, this better be it, or else.
Where
girl,
are you?
We're gonna have some problems. Just
Where
keep
are
going,
you?
Just keep going straight.
I always get lost. Just wait there then.
Because you're just slow poke. See, I'm right here. Like I said, there's nowhere. So, I want to go outside again.
No.
I need to show them outside. So.
Oh, you mean like outside of the,
Yeah.
of the game? I was like, why do you want to go outside? It's freaking fun outside. Guys, we live in Texas and it's like 104 degrees right now.
Okay, guys, wait a sec. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry, we just had some difficulties with my friend. Being a butthole, sorry. New York is really hot, sorry. She meant New York. They're gonna come find us.
They don't know what city they don't know what city we live in. They don't know what town we live in. So?
They could find out.
It's called Texas.
Leander, Texas.
So not too far. I just said Texas.
I'm just kidding. We don't live in Leander. We live in Houston. Me and her, we were roommates, so we lived in.
What do you mean we were roommates?
We lived in Leander.
We've never been roommates.
Yeah, I sleep over.
I don't think I have my own apartment or house at 10.
Oh my god, we're gonna be awesome. I'm 14 and she's 13, by the way. No, I'm 13, she's 14.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm 12. Apparently you don't know my age.
Sorry. Are we ever gonna find this douchebag? I thought that was Jace. Kitty meows.
Why'd you do that?
Sorry. Her is a touchscreen, so if like I do that, then
Well, now I can't find you.
where did I go?
I don't know. I'm wandering around.
I'm just gonna come look for you. Keep on.
What?
Is that him?
Does that look like him?
The inside, yeah.
We need help.
Oh my god!
So that's
Told
what it
y'all.
looks
The sound just makes it more creepy. Can you play?
No! I'm trying to find you.
Oh my god.
I don't want to find you anymore.
Did you?
You just gave me a heart attack. Jesus.
Okay, I'm gonna go back. Is that dumb? Is that dumb of me going back?
I don't know. Yes.
What if it's coming for you now?
It would not be coming from me. And if it pops up anywhere, I'm punching you in the face.
I'm so scared, guys. Oh, it's still there. You're good.
Like, y'all do not know how scary this is.
Sir,
Mom, I'm trying to find
are
you.
you mad at me?
Someone just left.
It's just us in the game.
It's creepy.
So it's gonna come for either one of us.
Alright, guys, bye!
No! Cammy, no!
Yes!
Don't be a wuss!
Leave game! No, I'm
Cammy,
already.
stop!
Yes, I'm leaving game.
Okay, then I'm gonna get scared. Okay. I'm going to do it one more time. Just for you guys.
Don't show it to me. She just turned her laptop to me.
Okay, guys, that's the end of this game. I hope y'all enjoy. Goodbye.
We're gonna make a different one of a different thing.
Yeah, goodbye. I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
We're gonna watch this.